So I've been refilling this bird feeder every third day, and it is completely empty. It probably gets eaten up before then. And I wonder, how do all these birds know? And we have this guy, he's a scout, and he's telling all the birds, all right, it's been refilled, and he's going to do a little inspection, quality assurance test, and tell every bird he knows. I don't know how many families I'm feeding, but I'm going through tons of fruit and nut and seeds. But this cardinal is so beautiful. I love cardinals so much. So I'm glad that I am feeding their families and all the other birds that I don't see.